How to add new participants to WhatsApp group. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add the new participants to your WhatsApp group. So first thing you should do is just create your WhatsApp group, and if you have created your WhatsApp group, you should know that you should head over to your WhatsApp group and you can see the three dot icon over here. What you can do is simply click on group info, or you can also click on this simply at the top of your group name, and you will be redirected to this page where you can see the add option over here. As you can see, just click on add, and from over here what you can do is search for the particular person to whom you want to add in your group and simply select that person and just click on green tick. And once you do that, you will have successfully added your particular person or member on your group successfully. So that is exactly how you can easily add the new participants to your WhatsApp group. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.